Hello there, this is Victor Santana, Stock Hunter Stock for December 6th. Actually, it's the 8th, Sunday. So here we're looking at the daily chart on the Dow, DIA, and as you can see, that the Dow did close up positive on Friday, actually right above the 8-day simple moving average. We are still trading above the 100-day moving average here. And looking at the indicator at the RSI 3, we did dip below the 30 and now we're rising up. We haven't quite yet reached to the 70 mark, so we're going to go ahead and wait until it gets to the 70 to consider looking to go long for a possible breakout. So for now, we'll just sit and watch this. Now going to SPY. You can see we're above the 100-day moving average, and on Friday it did gap up, closed above the 8-day moving average, and we did reach at the 70 mark here. So what that means is we'll go ahead and now put a buy stop above the high of Friday plus 5 cents, and if the price actually does reach to that area, then we'll get triggered in for a potential of a next breakout higher in this general area here. So we'll keep an eye on that, and once in, we're going to go ahead and put our stop here at the last pivot low, which is right here. Let's go ahead and look at the Qs. Looking at the Qs, you can see we're above the 100-day moving average, and it gapped up but fell down to above the 8-day moving average. Looking at the indicator here at the RSI, you can see it hasn't had a chance to dip below the 30, so we're just going to stay and watch this until we get the opportunity where it dips below to look for an entry. Now let's look at the Russell 2000. You can see here price action is trading above the 100-day moving average. On Friday it did gap up and closed right above the 8. And looking at the indicator below, we got the dip below 30. And now it's heading upward to 70, but has not reached there, so we'll just go ahead and wait until we get that opportunity of a signal. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the trades that I got in, which was Twitter. As I've been watching this since it opened, I pulled back, got our signal. In this case, you don't see the RSI 3 on this trading platform, but it dipped below 30 and just hit the 70 mark on this day here, and we got in, and sure enough, we're now positive on this trade for now with our stop down here. So we're going to keep an eye on this, and if we get a little pullback, then a reversal to the upside again, we'll buy another position. So we'll be adding positions as we come in on the dips, and as long as it doesn't hit our last pivot low. Now let's go ahead and look at another one, which is HBI. HBI, you can see we hit down to 30, to 70, put a buy stop right above here on this green candle. Friday did open higher, traded high, then pulled back all the way down. So for now, we're in this trade with our stop right here. So this is very important to manage our trade. So if it closes below this line, we'll be getting out. And let's see here, PGJ. This is another one that we got in. Got the signal right here on this day because we closed above the 70 here. Put a stop, a buy stop, got triggered in right here on this day, even though it looks flat, but it's actually a little higher. And we're still in this trade, slightly in the negative. As as long as we don't break this last swing low right here, we're still in this XPH. This one here looked like it was going to hit below 30, didn't, so we're not going to take this trade, even though it hit the 70 up here. So we're going to go ahead and bypass that. A new stock pick is MYL because we're above the 100-day moving average. You can see the trend is up, trading sideways for the moment. However, we did hit below 30, and now we reached to the 71.03. So we go ahead and put a buy stop 5 cents above the high of last Friday, and if the momentum's still there, we get triggered in. We'll put a sell stop right below here. Okay, so that's pretty much it for now. Until next time, take care and happy trading.